I want to bring in Jeff Gold, and a defense attorney on this one. There are so many questions that come into play. This is unprecedented, not just for the state of Ohio, I think for the country. I don't know that I've ever heard of this before. But the two that I have for you are this. Number one, it's true. Once she died, the coroner's report and the cause of death, that can't be cross-examined because she's no longer there or available for cross-examination. But the majority of it, they did. You just heard John Dauphin say he was present. His attorney was able to ask her questions. That was excruciating for her in the condition she was in. Answer that, but also add to it the fact that she's in terrible pain. And how does that affect the kind of answers that she gives?
Well, first of all, the judge allowed this deposition to take place. That, first of all, is a little bit of steam for the prosecutor to begin with, where otherwise this is unprecedented in Ohio. But at least they did that. Even the deposition was unprecedented, really. So you were exactly right before. Anything that the prosecutor gets out of this deposition is a home run for him. He may just get the visual. He may get part of the deposition, which doesn't pertain to
that last little bit, death, the cause of death, right?
You know, but anything that the state gets here is a win.
What about this issue that she's under excruciating pain? John Dauphin just said it. She went off those pain medications so that she could be clear. But there's no coroner's report to say what's in her bloodstream at that time. Can a defense attorney say, how can we trust what she may be slightly medicated as saying?
Well, the reason she went off of medications is so she could answer the question that she's not under medication as she's testifying. You don't want a witness to be not part of their senses.
Yeah, but you want more than just someone's testimony on that. You want the proof. You want the actual report.
But that's why she went off, because she had to
You'd have to have the doctor testify to that.
Right, but look, the defense wants to cross-examine. The difference between all these civil cases, as you've pointed out, is the right of confrontation in a criminal case. It doesn't exist in a civil case.
I know you're a defense attorney, but don't you hope this goes through?
And I think
don't you want to see that woman testify in her own murder trial?
I do, but I think that the fact is that he's going to get convicted if any of it comes in or if none of it comes in and photographs come in. I think he's going to get convicted.
All right, I'm going to have to leave it there. Melissa Neely, thank you to you. John Dauphin, thank you. Jeff Golding, I'm going to ask you to stay, if you will.